Lesson 1. Lesson 1. Beary, let's cook dinner. Yes, Mom. I want to cook. Of course, sweetie. You will help me cook Papa's favorite food. I am ready, Mom. I know you are. Hello, Beary. I am Mr. Potato. Hi, Mr. Potato. Can I help you cook? Wow, a talking potato. Please wash Mr. Potato, Beary. You did such a good job last time. Okay, I'll make him extra clean. I wash you, Mr. Potato. There we go, nice and clean. Feeling better now? Ha-ha, the water is cool. Thank you.
You're welcome, friend.
Ha-ha. Now, let's make the soup.
Yeah.
I stir the soup. 1, 2, 3. Good job, Beary. Do it slowly. Cooking is very fun, Mom. I know, Beary. You're doing a great job. I am very proud of you. The soup smells so good. Yes, it does, my little chef. Lesson 2. Papa is home.
Hello, family. I am home.
Papa, you are home. I miss you.
I missed you too, little one. How was your day?
So good.
This flower is for you, my dear.
Thank you. The flower is very beautiful. Thank you.
And I have a gift for you, Beary.
Wow.
Hello, Beary. I am Mr. Toy Box. Wow, a new toy box. Thank you, Papa. Look, it has arms. You can put your toys in my big mouth. I will keep my toys clean and tidy.
Wow, the room looks so nice today.
Mom and I cooked dinner for you. That's wonderful, son. You both did great.
Really? You are a good boy, Beary.
Yes, he helped me wash and stir.
I am so happy.
Let's eat dinner together.
Lesson 3. Family dinner. Hello, I am Miss Candle. The candle is very beautiful and bright. Here is the soup. Let's eat our dinner. I helped Mom make this soup, Papa. That's wonderful, son. Tell me about it.
Let me taste the soup.
Delicious? I am very glad you like it. Yes, Beary, it's truly delicious. The dinner is perfect with the candle and flour. I love our family dinner.
You are a very happy family.
I had a very good day at work.
That's wonderful, dear. I'm so glad. I had a fun day in the kitchen.
I'm so glad to hear that, son.
Simple moments make us happy. Lesson 4. Helping and Happiness. Dinner is finished. Let's clean up our home. I will help you wash the plates, Mom. Wash, wash, wash. I like to help you.
I will clean the table.
You are a good boy, Beary.
Look. The plates are very clean now. I like when Papa gives you the red flower. And I am very happy with my new toy box. I am happy when our family is together.
You help the family.
I am very proud.
We all are, Papa.
Doing small things together makes me very happy. Ow. Time to sleep, my little Beary. Mom, I want to cook with you again tomorrow. I know you do, little one. Okay, we will. Good night, Beary. Good night, Mom. Good night, Papa.